This is the Bobbin Bunting and it's from Fabazine number 9. Now you are going to get 10 pairs of bobbins. These are designed to be done front and back like that, but if you want to extend the kit you can of course use them individually. And you'll notice the pairs are actually printed in reverse, so if you do want to kind of stitch elements into them then it will match up front and back. So I just hold that on that point there, you'll see it'll match up front and back exactly the same place. So you've got choices here. You can either make double-sided or you can extend the kit and make 20 flags on, or 20 bobbins on your bunting. So you're going to cut them out to the shape with a little white border there, and then you're going to flip them and you're going to put them face to face and line those up. Now you'll notice on this finished bunting that I've got, I've actually got 2 bits of tape here. You've got a slightly thinner herringbone than this, which is the one that you're going to use to go up and down, and you're going to place in here to create the little tabs to hold them on. So you're going to fold those in half like that, and make sure you put the tape so it's facing inside the bobbin, because if when you sew it you have it facing out like that, when you flip it right side out that will actually go onto the inside, so you won't be able to hang them up. So make sure you've got that tucked in like that, and then you're going to sew all the way around. Now if you have a look on the one that I've just done here, I would recommend you leave your opening to turn it right side out on the side, because that's a nice straight edge. It's easy to press, it's easy to tuck in, and it's easy to sew off if you're going to have them, you know, even stuffed if you wanted to. Now when you've got the tab on top here, I've done this one in a thin ribbon rather than the herringbone, just so you can kind of see the difference. You will then take your herringbone tape and you'll slide that through the little tabs that you've made. So when you make them, just be mindful of the size, whether you want them like I've got here so they're exactly the same height as the tape, or whether you want them like this sample here, where that tape's a little bit longer, so they're going to have a little bit more of a dangle on them and they'll be able to sway a little bit more. And then when you've got them in the right position, you actually can just put a tacking stitch in there or just run over it quickly with your machine to hold everything in place, and your finished item will be a fantastic string of Bobbin Bunting.